Many beginner writers feel excited at the start, but quickly find themselves stuck, confused, or unsure of what to do next. This video on why most beginner writers get stuck dives deep into the common struggles that hold new writers back and explains why this happens more often than people realize. One of the biggest reasons is the pressure to be perfect right from the beginning. Instead of allowing themselves to learn and grow, beginners often compare their early work to experienced writers, which leads to self-doubt and frustration. This creates a cycle where they start writing, overthink every word, and eventually stop altogether. The video highlights how fear of judgment, lack of structure, and inconsistent habits can silently block progress without writers even noticing. You'll discover how overthinking and perfectionism are not signs of failure, but simply habits that can be changed with the right approach. The video breaks down practical ways to overcome these challenges, such as focusing on progress instead of perfection, creating a simple writing routine, and understanding that every writer improves through practice. It encourages viewers to shift their mindset from getting it right to just getting it written, which is often the key to moving forward. In the middle of this journey, you'll also see how Domino Effect Writing System plays a supportive role in helping beginner writers stay organized and consistent. By providing a clear space to manage ideas and structure content, it reduces the overwhelm that often causes writers to freeze. This makes it easier to stay focused and continue writing without feeling lost or discouraged. This video is designed to remind beginner writers that getting stuck is a normal part of the process, not the end of it. With the right mindset and simple strategies, anyone can push past these barriers and start making real progress. By the end, you'll feel more confident, more motivated, and ready to approach writing with clarity instead of confusion. The key is not to avoid mistakes, but to keep writing despite them and trust that growth will follow.